What is going on YouTube? This video is going to be comparing the Mavic 2 Pro camera with the Hubsan Zino camera. They're both 4K cameras, so I figured I'd compare them. Probably not a fair comparison, but at least it's 4K camera comparison. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you what my area looks like. So yeah, this is where I'm at, and I put up an umbrella so I can get under it. This is a hot day, it's in the mid-80s, and I'm just going to be filming from the dock. So I guess enjoy the video. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. I wanted to do this comparison of the two cameras. They're both 4K cameras running at 4K resolution, and there is no filters on either one of these cameras, and they're both running at 30 frames a second. So once again, the camera's on automatic mode. On the left, you will see the Zino camera, and the conditions are not always perfect when you're doing these tests out on the field because, you know, it's so dynamic, right? So, but on this shot, I wanted to show you guys the lake and the differences between the two cameras. On the right is the Pro, and on the left is the Zino, right? And the differences are minute, but they're still there. But the Zino for $369, this is a great deal. Probably a lot cheaper than that nowadays with coupons and all this spiff that they're trying to get this product to move. They're probably a great value in my opinion for a 4K camera. You can see it right here. The detail is fantastic. Where the Zino will start kind of showing its kind of not weaknesses, but not its strength is coming up. We'll see the Zino chasing a boat with a tuber being towed, and you'll see the Mavic 2 Pro chasing a boat. And look at the water detail. See what you guys think. See which one do you think you like better. And I mean, there's definitely more granularity, in my opinion, on the Mavic 2 Pro. But I mean, you really have to look hard. So start looking, see what you guys think. I mean, and the other thing too, flying the Mavic 2 Pro, it's, you know, it's a lot more precise, right? And the Zino, you have to be very careful when you fly, especially with the yaw. But as you can see here on the left side of the screen, I am keeping up with this boat towing a tube, right? I mean, he's making a U-turn, and I'm hanging right in there with him. And obviously doing the same thing with the Mavic 2 Pro. And here's where you'll see the details not as good, right? Look at the water again, and look at the water on the Mavic 2 Pro. See what you guys think. Anyway, those are just my thoughts. I wanted just to start out by saying that these are hard comparisons, and they're real world comparison. They're very subjective, but you guys can judge for yourselves. All right, so I'm going to be quiet now and let the movie roll. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like the contest, I'd love for you to support the channel. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
It's no surprise, my ego knows no compromise. Of the things I say, multiplied in the back.